All right, everybody, Bryce here coming at you with yet another quick crypto market update. And we saw something very exciting at the start of this week. No, I'm not just talking about the Solana network going down for several hours, losing functionality. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. That's exciting for the wrong reasons. But on the back of that news, what we did see was a capital rotation or sector rotation into these DeFi assets, namely the Ethereum-based DeFi assets. We've been writing about it in our newsletters, did some webinars on it last couple weeks. So we've been kind of sitting on this idea that DeFi is a sleeping giant, and that it's trading heavily discounted to the rest of the market, while a lot of the layer ones, right, kind of the Solanas and the Cardanos of the world, who want to be the next Ethereum, they've been pumping and moving extremely hard over the last 60 days, if you will, while these Ethereum-based DeFi assets have remained pretty stable. And so we saw that there's a big discount, and we kind of been alerting everybody. And sure enough, what we saw is that rotation actually start to play out at the beginning of this week. On Monday, we saw a lot of these coins moving hard, while the layer one started to dump. And then as Solana, I'll kind of talk about this, it underwent a DDoS attack, kind of like a distributed denial of service. And there was 400,000 transactions a second that were spamming the network, right? Somebody was just spamming it. A group of malicious actors were spamming it. And this really did, kind of quite a lot of damage to the network. And so they had to shut down for over 10 hours, actually. And in order to kind of mitigate this attack, as well as having to kind of rebuild and re-architect the blockchain. So what's going on there is a little bit, technical, and it's a little confusing. But clearly price action hasn't been great, right? Clearly price action has been not showing a huge mark of confidence. The thing has been falling. And so, crypto goes up, crypto goes down, it's volatile. But if you're not understanding what these fundamental events are going on that are driving price, I think right now a lot of people are kind of questioning the team. And I always say, even though, a lot of really smart people like this project, a lot of people, are building on it, and it's had a good track record so far. What's really important after this crisis that the team is navigating right now, that Solana team, what's really important is to see how they navigate it and to see how they bounce back, right? Are they going to have good, strong communication, right? Are they going to do right by token holders? Are they going to, come back stronger and better and make sure that this never happens again with plans and all sorts of stuff? Or are we going to see leadership start to fall away? Are we going to see people start to lash out and, price goes down so people get angry? Are we going to see a really bad reaction? So all in all, it's a very exciting, volatile time in the market. And, if you're not, following these calls day in and day out, and if you're not following sort of the sector rotations that we are putting out, then I think, a lot of people are, missing out, because there's a lot of really golden opportunities here in the market right now, especially today. And so that's kind of the market update. The last thing I wanted to say, I can't believe I almost forgot this. This is huge. So Cathie Wood, right? Cathie Wood runs the ARK ETFs. She's a really, really famous macro investor. Cathie Wood just came out and reiterated her price target of $50,000 per Bitcoin. $500,000 per Bitcoin. So a $500,000 per Bitcoin environment would be very, very, very beneficial to altcoins. And so one of the things I just wanted to say was that if the big macro investors are still, thinking that they're extremely bullish on BTC for the near term, and then just imagine what that could do for altcoins. So that's the market update. Again, Cathie Wood just said that earlier this week, and she's still targeting $500,000 per BTC. That's a tremendous price target in the near term. And so that's the market update, guys. It was a ton of fun. If you guys are not already following the crypto market updates. And if you're not already following a newsletter with the best trade signals, and if you don't already have a community of crypto investors that are plugged into the market, that are trading these markets and sharing ideas day in and day out, I highly suggest you click that button below, that orange button. You can subscribe for a 2-week trial for just $1. In there, you'll kind of like see the Crypto 101 University video course where we could get you up to speed on becoming a crypto trader, and all that good stuff. And so we also post a lot of analysis, like of where we think the market is going in the near term and the best places to buy, the best places to sell at. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that we have this offer right now. It's $1 for 2-week trial. So come and see.